Boaters, start your engines.
All right, watch the rollers on the front straight.
One minute, 15 seconds to mill time.
Richard Sekagawa. Shake and Bake. Art Uno. Michael Herslinsky.
1 minute to mill time.
All right, Michael's in the water. All boats are away.
Ronnie Strawn.
There's the hoser, and here's the hose.
45 seconds to mill time.
Can you see Michael?
$30 seconds to mill time. $15 seconds to mill time.
Okay, remember where you're committed. Remember where you're committed.
$29, $28, $27, $26, $25, $24, $23, $22, $21, $20, $19, $18, $17, $16,
Remember where you're committed.
$14, $13, $12, $11, $10, $9, $8, $7, $6, $5, $4, $3, $2, $1.
First boat was over. Lonnie's over. My leader is Sinagawa, followed by white and blue. Michael owes us one. Woo! Testing those out. Sinagawa's my leader. That's followed by Tommy. Art's running third. That's a brush. We're going to call that a brush. All right, Michael, we'll just another one for the turn down there. Yes, so he'll just do. It's going to be halfway from our leader. Halfway Tom, halfway Art. Coming up from lap traffic. He's clean through there. You know, good friend Rich would slow down a little bit and make this competitive. Tommy skips out a bit. 4 down for my leader. 4 down, Tom. 4 down, Art. Nice job, Art. Oh, dead boat, out wide and 2, out wide and 2. Drivers in the water, lane 5-6. Drivers in the water.
Final lap.
Last lap for my leader. Cut on the big one. All right, Art owes us one. Art owes us one.
Final lap.
Last lap. Finish, first place.
Richard Sekagawa done.
Art, this should be last lap.
Final lap.
That's a cut buoy. Cut buoy on the white. I got it. Oh! Dead boat, front straightaway. Dead boat, front straightaway. Come on, Lonnie. Come on, Lonnie. Dead boat, front straightaway. Here comes a finish right here. Richard Sikagawa, you can bring it to the shore as you come around. This will be a finish right here. Art, finish for Art. And please watch the drivers. And Mike, if you want to bring it to the shore, please, you can. Parallel with the shore. You may cut the course. You may cut the course and bring it to the shore. Watch the dead boat on the front launch.
Final lap.